Good evening, everybody. This is Harish Mehta from India, Mumbai, and I am thanking each one of you for attending the 12th and 13th May, the Business Redefined Summit organized by Action Coach India and the Middle East, and shared the wisdom of the business coaches, Hall of Fame coaches of the world with you. I am sure this knowledge, this wisdom will go a long way in developing you and the people around you. I am grateful to each one of you for investing your time and your energy in learning what our great coaches from Action Coach International and in particular Brad Sugar's CEO shared their wisdom with you. We are happy that each one of you came, attended, and enjoyed the sessions given by our honored and respected coaches globally. Now I have to share something with you. We at Action Coach India and Middle East would like to honor you people, respect you people, and share with you people more and more of knowledge, more and more of wisdom that will help you grow from your current position to a better and a more desirable position in the next 90 days. As this crisis shall come over to an end in the next few months, we would like to share with you people in India and in the Middle East, especially Dubai and the UAE, particular sessions for business owners, for leadership at C-level, and for professionals and chartered accountants, for which we shall write to each one of you who participated, and as a gratitude would like to give you certain sessions which will enhance you, your knowledge, and your position in life and business. With these few words, I would like to once again thank you and would love to learn more from you what is required so that we can serve you that in terms of coaching, in terms of mentoring, in terms of teaching from Action Coach India and Middle East. This is Harish Mehta signing off with a request. In case you feel you need anything, reach out to me at +91 99 209 17477 or actioncoach.com, and my personal email ID harishmehta@actioncoach.com. We shall be happy to help you in the journey of growth and coming through, not only surviving but thriving after the COVID-19 disappears from the face of this earth. Thank you for listening and thank you for being there with us at these times. This is Harish Mehta signing off.